This is a happy birthday puzzle. It was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to reach your own age by adding up the empty fields. If you like the happy birthday puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. The happy birthday puzzle looks quite simple. There is a frame. There are only 4 parts. And what you have to do here is to find your age, like I'm 41, so it will be 4 and 1. And now you have to put parts around those numbers in such a way that when you put all of them, you will have your age. But I'm not 91 and I'm not 94, so that is not the correct solution. And you have to figure out how to put the parts inside and finding your age. And you can actually play with it and try to solve all the numbers from 1 to 99. So if you 99, you still can play this puzzle. But if you're 100, I guess you have to find another puzzle. So if you like the happy birthday puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.